Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home. Okay, see now we have started lesson 7, Grandma Mason of English. We have done revision also. You all have completed your textbook also. So you all have done, no? Very good those who have done. So today we will do textual exercise. Exercises that which are given in your textbook. Okay children? Yes, I have sent PDF of textbook also. So look in it. This is only for your knowledge. You don't have to write any textual exercise. Okay children? Yes. So this is only for your knowledge to know more. Okay? First we will do reading also. And I will ask you. Okay children? So we will read the lesson, we will understand it again, and then we will do textual exercise. Okay? Yes. So now we will start. Okay children? See now what we will do today? We will do textual exercise of lesson number 7. Grandma Mason. Very good. You all are reading. Now see reading we are going to do. See I have explained you all this scenery. This is a market. Okay. So we will only read. This is Grandma Mason. She always forgets things. She goes to the market. She needs bread and butter. She takes an umbrella with her. Now you all know how to read, no? See, she is taking umbrella with her. This is Grandma Mason. She forgets things. Now she goes to the market. She needs bread and butter. She wants bread and butter. Okay, she takes a umbrella with her. Understood children? Very good. So now see, Grandma goes to the grocer and buys a packet of bread and butter. Grandma goes to the grocer and buys a packet of bread and butter. She pays money to the grocer, but she forgets her umbrella at the shop. What Grandma do? She goes to the grocer, she buys a packet of bread and butter, she pays money also to the grocer, but she is forgetful, no? She forgets her umbrella. See, I am showing you umbrella at the shop, at grocer's shop. She forgets it. Okay, children, have you understood this picture and what he has written? Can you read now? Grandma goes to the grocer and buys a packet of bread and butter. She pays money to the grocer, but she forgets her umbrella at the shop. Okay children, you all have understood this part? Yes, you can now also read it. Read this well. Okay children? Yes. Now see here. Then she goes to the greengrocer and buys some cucumbers and tomatoes. She pays the greengrocer but forgets the packet of bread and butter at the shop. What she forgets here? See here she is skipping bread and butter packet here. See, can you see the picture? See, I am showing you. She forgets this. She buys cucumbers. Can you see here cucumber and tomatoes? But she forgets packet of bread and butter. Understood children? So who is grocer? Grocer is a person who sells food and other things. And greengrocer is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. See, this greengrocer is selling fruits and vegetables. Okay, children? Yes. So now, next part. Oh no, it is raining. Grandma wonders where her umbrella is. Grandma walks back home. My, her clothes are wet. She reaches home. She thinks, where is my umbrella? Then she thinks, where is the bread and butter? See what happens when she reaches home. When it starts raining, no, when it rains, she wonders. She wonders, where is my umbrella? She had brought, no, she is thinking, where is my umbrella? Then she walks back home. Then she tells, see, her clothes are wet. I explained you in the lesson, no? In revision also I explained you. She reaches home. She thinks, where is her umbrella and where is her bread and butter? She is forgetful, no? Why she is forgetful? Can you tell me? Very good. Very good. She is forgetful because she is old. An old lady. She does not remember. She forgets everything. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Now we have read the lesson. So reading comprehension. See. Number these sentences in the order they appear in the story. One has been done for you. See, I have already done this. Okay, children? She forgets the packet of bread and butter at the shop. All the sentences are not in order. But you have to write in order as things happen. So first what happens? Grandma always forgets things. Number 2 is, see here number 2. She goes to the market. She goes to the market. That is number 2. One is grandma always forgets things. She goes to the market. And where is number 3? Here. This sentence is number 3. She pays money to the grocer. She pays money to the grocer. Number 4 is, see here number 4, I have given the number. Okay, one is already done, another we have to do. Number 4, see, she forgets the packet of bread and butter at the shop. Number 5, it is raining. It is raining. And number 6, what comes after? Number 6, that is grandma wonders where her umbrella is. It happens in the story, no? When rain starts, when it rains, grandma wonders where her umbrella is. Okay, children? And when she comes back home, no? Her clothes are wet. Her clothes are wet. Now you all have understood this, what you have to do? Yes. See, all the sentences are not in order. You have to write the number so that it can be a story type. That is, in the order they appear in the story. Okay, first what it happens, that you have to write. See, again we will read all the sentence according to the story. Okay. So are you ready to read? Very good. Grandma always forgets things. She goes to the market. She pays money to the grocer. She forgets the packet of bread and butter at the shop. It is raining. Grandma wonders where her umbrella is. Her clothes are wet. Now I hope you all have understood this. Okay, children? See now, tick the correct answer. Now see ticking work. The sentence are there in your book, textbook. Number 1 is, you have to tick, 2 options are given. Grandma buys bread and butter. So what will come? Bread and butter. Right answer is bread and butter. Grandma buys bread and butter. Number 2 is, grandma takes a raincoat or an umbrella with her. So which answer is right? Grandma takes an umbrella with her. Grandma takes an umbrella with her. Okay, children? Number 3 is, grandma forgets her umbrella at the grocer shop. Okay? Grandma forgets her umbrella at the grocer shop. She does not forget bag. She forgets her umbrella. Okay, children? Number 4, 2 options are given. So now you all are able to read. Grandma buys cucumbers and cauliflowers, tomatoes. So which is the right answer? Tomatoes. From the greengrocer's shop. Grandma buys cucumbers and tomatoes from the greengrocer's shop. Number 5. Grandma walks back home or to the market. Yes. Grandma walks back home. Grandma walks back home. You all have understood this? Very well. Okay, children? You want to read again? See, grandma buys bread and butter. Grandma takes an umbrella with her. 2 options are given, no? So you have to write only 1 option. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the grocery shop. Grandma buys cucumbers and tomatoes from the greengrocer shop. Grandma walks back home. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Pronunciation. Short and long sounds of U. See, we are going to learn short and long U sound. Okay? So now say these words aloud. You have to speak this word loudly. Okay, children? So see, first we will see short U sound. How we have to use U? B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, hug. B-R-U-S-H, brush. T-R-U-C-K, truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Short and long sounds of U. Okay, now long sound, long U sound. We have to speak. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. F-L-U-T-E, flute. T-U-N-E, tune. D-U-N-E, dune. Okay, children? Long U sound. B-L-U-E, blue. F-L-U-T-E, flute. D-U-N-E, tune. D-U-N-E, dune. Okay, children, short U sound and long U sound. Bug, hug, brush, truck, blue, flute, tune, dune. Okay. Now see here, circle the words that make a short U sound and underline those with a long U sound. See, cute is a long sound. Cup, sun, bun. These three are short U sound. True is long U sound. Jump is short U sound. Glue is long and drum is short. See, I have written here. Short U sound. Cup, sun, bun, jump, drum. Long U sound. Cute, true, glue. Understood this? Short U and long U. Cup, sun, bun, jump, drum. See again, listen carefully. U, short U. We speak speedily. Cup, sun, bun, jump, drum. Long U. Cute, true, glue. Okay, children, I hope now you have understood short U sound and long U sound. Yes. Now vocabulary part. We will see vocabulary part. Okay. So, write the names of the things that can be bought in these shops. Choose from the box. One has been done for you. See here. Potatoes, magazines, cakes, cucumbers, buns, pastries, storybooks, onions and notebooks. See, there is a green grocery. This is a page of your book. Green grocery. So there is potatoes. You have to choose from here. Potatoes, then onions and cucumbers. Okay, children? So these two are green grocer. They are in the green grocer shop. Cucumber and onions. Understood? See, can you see here cucumber and onions? Now bakery. Bakery, what you can get? Bakery, buns, cakes and pastries. See here, buns, cakes and pastries. All the three options are given, no? Words are given here. So you have to put in the bakery. Buns, here, can you see buns? Then cakes, see here cakes and here pastries. Okay? Buns, cakes and pastries. Where we get? We get from, yes, we can buy from the bakery. Very good. And these are vegetables, so we can buy it from green grocer. Okay. Now magazines, storybooks and notebooks. From where we can buy? Very good. Bookshop. We can buy from bookshop. From where we can buy? Bookshop. What we can buy? Storybooks, notebooks and magazines. If we want more storybook, we can go to the bookstall. Notebooks we can get from the bookshop. Magazines we can get from the book shop. Okay, children, all you have understood this? Yes. So you all have done the bookshop. We are bringing storybooks, notebooks and magazines from the bookstall. So this only is for understanding. Okay, now if you want to write in your textbooks, it is not compulsory, but if you want to write, you can write down. So now see, fill in the blanks with A or N. Fill in the blanks with A or N. See, number 1. Jia sent. We have to write A or N, article, A or N. We have learned no in grammar lesson. When there is a, yes, vowel sound we use N. And which is vowel? A, E, I, O, U are vowel sound. We have learned this. Okay, this is in your textbook on lesson number 7. Jia sent, what will come here? It is L. L is a consonant. Jia sent letter to her friend. Jia sent, what she sends? A letter to her friend. Jia sent a letter to her friend. Understood? See, letter. So it is L. Now see number 2. Look. There is a blank. See, aeroplane in the sky. What we have to keep here? A or N? Now you all know that this A in aeroplane, it is a vowel sound. So, look, there is, what will come here before vowel? Very good. N. Look, there is an aeroplane in the sky. Have you understood this? Now see number 3. Rahul saw, then there is a blank. Tiger in the zoo. Now tiger, T is a consonant. Rahul saw a tiger in the zoo. Rahul saw a tiger in the zoo. Okay, children? Rahul saw a tiger in the zoo. Number 4 is I will eat, then there is a blank. I will eat apple at lunch today. Number 4 is I will eat an apple at lunch today. I will eat an apple at lunch today. Understood, children? So apple, you all know it is vowel sound. A is a vowel sound. So N will come. An apple. This we have learned in grammar, no? Very good. See now number 5. We saw, then there is a blank, peacock dancing in our garden. We saw a peacock. What we have to spell? A. We saw a peacock dancing in our garden. This is in your textbook exercise, okay? We will read once again. Okay, children? Read with me. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Number 1. Jia sent a letter to her friend. Number 2. Look, there is an aeroplane in the sky. Number 3. Rahul saw a tiger in the zoo. Number 4. I will eat an apple at lunch today. Number 5. We saw a peacock dancing in our garden. Okay, children, you all have understood this? Very good. Now see, what we have to do? Very good. See, first you read what you have to do. Okay, this is also in your textbook. Rewrite these sentences by putting capital letters and question marks in the right places. See, there are sentences given. But what we have to do? We have to put capital letters and question. If it is a question, we have to put question mark. Understood, children? So, rewrite these sentences by putting capital letters and question marks in the right places. Now see number 1. What is your name? See, whenever someone asks us, what is your name? So we ask. It is a question. Okay? It is a question. So what we have to do, first letter, I would explain to you that first letter is always capital. So W is always capital. So see, I am writing, what is your name? Then it is a question, so we have to put your question mark. Understood, children? What is your name? See, this sentence is given. We have to put first letter capital. At the end, you have to put question mark because it is a question. Understood, children? Okay. Now see number 2. My. M-Y. Here also. My favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango. So what you have to do? First letter capital. Yes. My favorite fruit is mango. See, this is a sentence. So you have to put at the end full stop. Okay, children? First letter should be capital. At the end it is a full stop. If it is a question, you have to put question mark at the end. Okay? You all have done this? Very good. Now you have understood it. This just you understand. Now see number 3. May I take this red toy? Here also. May I take this red toy? It is may. So first letter should be capital. And I have told you that whenever I is used, I should always be a capital. Okay? So may I take this red toy? It is a question. So what you have to write? Question mark. May. We are asking. May. M-A-Y. May. Then I is capital here. First letter capital. I is always capital. May I take this red toy? Then there is a question mark. Okay, children, have you understood this sentence? Now see number 4. Do you know? K-N-O-W, we have to pronounce know. Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? So first letter is capital. We are asking, do you know how to drive a car? Okay. So do, D is capital. We have to write capital do. Do you know how to drive a car? At the end it is a question. We are asking the other person that, do you know how to drive a car? Yes, you know driving. Do you know how to drive a car? Understood? So D's first letter is capital. At the end it is a question. It is a question, no? So question mark. Now see number 5. Do you bake cakes? Here also we are asking, do you bake cakes? So here D is a question, D is a capital. See, do you bake cakes? Then there is a question mark. D is capital. Do you bake cakes? Understood, children? See, may I take this red toy? May I take this red toy? It is a capital. Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? Do you bake cakes? Do you bake cakes? Okay, children? You all have understood. If it is a question, you have to put a question mark, and first letter is always a capital letter. Okay, children? So now I hope now you all have done this. textual exercise. This is only for your knowledge. If you want to write, you can complete in your textbook if you have. If you don't have, only read it. Okay, children, from PDF I have given. Read it, read the lesson, read the exercises from the PDF. Okay, very good. So I hope now you all have completed your fair book, doing your work properly. If you have not complete it, lesson 7 in your fair book. Okay, children, thank you.